This is practice folding a brifca, which is a Dutch word for packet, usually for stones. So, get a piece of paper that's almost a square. And they have double and triple layer papers specifically for this. I'm just using a random piece of paper I found. It's newsprint, but fold it up, bottom third. And you put the sides in so they meet in the middle. And then all the stones are here at this bottom crease. Pop that up and fold that down. And I've seen this done different ways. I put it so the top kind of tucks in there. That's a brifca, usually for diamonds. And if you're not careful, you'll lose a stone. Let's see where they migrated to. I open this up. Yeah, they're all still there. Except for this little guy. And that's the trap. You get one of these little guys off to that side. When you're folding, it'll flip right out like we just saw. Oh. Sides, then fold down onto your 1/3, 2/3 from the top. Seal it, tuck it in. I tuck bottom into the top. Isn't always easy. This is a pretty small packet. You can buy them, they're like $4 for, I can't remember, but a bunch of these that are the multi-layers. There's 2 layers for rough stones, 3 layers. There's different feel. It's like tissue paper, and then some of the layers are kind of slick. And it's a little bit of protection. But then, you know, yeah. This is just amethyst, citrine, topaz. That's a ruby or a garnet. I don't even know what those are. There's supposed to be some opal. But I think they gave me onyx instead of opal. This is like a whopping $7 worth of stones altogether. They're faceted. And that's how you fold a brifca. Well, that's how you fold a make-do emergency brifca. Not a fancy brifca with the brifca paper, which is again double or triple layer and a little bit bigger, better material. But this is just some newsprint type paper. Say good enough. Good enough for these stones. $7 whole worth.